Welcome to the WION podcast. In this episode, we explore how the global AI boom is quietly fueling a massive emissions surge, revealing how just a handful of data centers could rival entire nations in carbon output. A new report warns that data centers powering the AI boom could come with a massive environmental cost. The amount of greenhouse emissions by just 11 gas-powered data centers in the US could be more than several countries with tens of millions of people combined, according to a report by Wired. Most of the data centers rely on gas for power, which has led to the construction of huge power projects being built specifically for these data centers. Wired analyzed the emissions estimates of these projects that are being built to help the data centers get online as soon as possible. These gas power projects remove the reliance on local power grids and the added controversy of massive energy bills. Gas turbines are switched on site, and the power supply is instant. However, experts have flagged a major problem with his system. What they are calling behind-the-meter power will lead to a crazy amount of emissions. According to data released by the non-profit Global Energy Monitor, a whopping 100 gigawatts of behind-the-meter gas power is being created for data centers at the start of 2027. This number was only 4 gigawatts at the start of 2024. Michael Thomas, founder of the clean energy firm CleanView, told the outlet, "We were retiring coal and gas, and now we have a new hump where we're going to rise." Wired identified one particular program called Project Matador, which is particularly concerning. The campus is being built in the Texas Panhandle, and its permit allows the generation of 6 gigawatts of gas power. The projected CO2 emissions stand at over 40 million tons annually. This means that the greenhouse emissions at just this one center will exceed those of Jordan. Elon Musk is also building 2 colossal data centers in Tennessee, and they too are bad news for the world. According to estimates, his data center campuses Colossus and Colossus II could cause greenhouse emissions to surpass those of Iceland. In total, 11 facilities could release a maximum of 130 million tons of greenhouse gases per year, more than Morocco. However, the estimates are based on the maximum projected emission the gas power companies are seeking permission, so the final emissions will most likely fall short by several notches. The actual emissions could be potentially 2/3 less than what's on paper. Alex Schott, the director of communications at Williams Companies, which is building 3 behind-the-meter power plants for Meta, told Wired. The outlet further stated that there is a chance that not all 11 of these centers that were analyzed for the report will be built. In the case of Project Matador, its parent company, Fermi, isn't in great condition. However, even if the actual emissions fall way short and are just half the figures on the permits, the greenhouse gases will still be more than what Norway released in 2024. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.